this is the AI avatar. We could change it, okay, like Alex, Amy, Anita, Aran. Okay, let's hear out if this
Language is the vessel of culture, carrying the story.
In the last video, we explored a tool that could turn your YouTube videos and blogs into content for multiple other social platforms, all using AI. But what if you could turn the same blog into video content using AI voiceovers, screen transitions, subtitles, and everything without manually editing anything? Welcome to day 224 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. And today's tool is exactly what you might have needed for your content upgrade. Over 80% of the people would like to consume contents over videos than reading long texts. I am one of them. I would like to consume content or learn something new over videos than to read and understand. So that's exactly what we are going to cover today. Meet Lumen 5, an AI tool that can convert your blogs or written text into full-blown video content just within a couple of minutes. So let's dive in and see how this tool actually performs. So to begin, head over to lumen5.com and let's click on sign up. It wants to verify that I'm a human, and there you go. It has successfully verified. This does not have a Google option, which is not good. Sign up with Facebook, no. I'd prefer to do it manually this time. And password, K, one uppercase character. Okay, create account. Confirm your email to create account. Okay, so I've got the verification link. I'm going to open that over here. So I'm verified. So we can request for a demo from here. I would dismiss it for now. Curated and ready to use colors, fonts, and style. Okay, we have a few templates available here. Right, so we could use any of these if we think this is good enough, or we can start from any of these here, right? So rectangular would have all the rectangular options. Like you can see that these are rectangular in shape. Okay, the themes, the elements that is being used. If you go to lines, then this I don't know how. Okay, so you have certain lines coming up, maybe because of that they mentioned that these are lines around it. As you can see, the elements that are being used are round in shape. Okay, gradient, as we can see, we have gradients used across the template. Organic, okay, some kind of animation, not really sure what they mean by that. Angular, okay, some, like this is probably the latest versions, right? Like you would see something like this in the newer websites or presentations or something like that. And assorted is should be all mix, right? I would probably go with this one. I'll click on this. And what is the format that we need, right? 19:6 or 1:1 or 9:16 or 9:16. We have two templates over here. Let's go with 16:9, which is the format for YouTube. Use this template. Choose how to get started. AI voiceover or text on media or AI avatar. Okay, this seems to be something new that they've added. Convert a blog post, document, or idea to an AI avatar video. And then we have voiceover or talking head. Upload or record your own talking head clip. Okay, so let's start with AI voiceover, right? And we can upload the text over here. These images will be included in your video and can also be found in your uploads. So we can add the text over here, and we can also upload some images if you want those images to be included in the video, right? We can also import a URL. Your URL content will show up here. So only necessary. Upload a document. If you want to upload the document, we can upload it from here. Outline outline an idea. What will your video be about? Okay, and so we can mention advantages of AI agents. Outline what to reference in your script, minimum 3 details required. So I'll head over to rich7.com blogs, and maybe I'll take this blog, which is why learning no code is essential for entrepreneurs in 2025. And let me copy this, go back, import the URL. Let me add this URL here, click on import, and in a couple of seconds or slightly more, it will get the details required. And there you go. So we've got the images here from the blog post. We've got the blog directly, right? And now we can go to compose script. If you don't want the script to be created, you can also skip and use all content as is, which means it will read through the entire content. But let's check what will it compose. Okay, there you go. So we've got introduction, what is no code, why no code matters for entrepreneurs, AI and automation benefits, fail fast, pivot faster, essential no code skills, right? So it has created something for about 58 seconds. Let me click on continue. Of course, if you want to make any changes, you can do that, right? Jessica is the voice that it has selected by default. We can check out.
A great song on the radio makes you stop and turn it up. That's how anything good catches attention. Effortlessly.
Okay, this was good. Let me check. But
Being interesting isn't about knowing everything. It's about making people see things in a way they haven't before.
so we also have got some legacy voices.
Discover the secrets of a healthy lifestyle. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial for overall well-being and longevity.
Our goal is to bring together.
Okay. And as we can see, all of this are in the paid plans. I'll probably go with Win. Click on apply. So now it has become like 1 minute 23 seconds. You can publish 2 minutes video on the free plan, which is good. We are within the limits. We could do some script accuracy check, right? You can see here, to help ensure your script is as accurate as possible, we use AI to check each sentence to confirm if they are supported by the content you provided. Okay, and we'll highlight any sentence which are injected as potentially including novel content, review any highlighted sentence and confirm that they are accurate. We could use this option to check that. I'll click on convert to video and let's see what happens. Okay, it's still working. So let me close it for now. We've got some media libraries here, right? And we can check that it has used some of it over here, right? It has used some images from our blog post. And it has used some from the library, if I'm not wrong. Wherever you feel that this is not good enough, like, you can just go over and maybe change it, right? You can use the medias from the library, you can use the icons from here. You could change the voice if you want, or you could also upload your own voice and it would probably use that one, right? And AI media, you can generate some medias using AI. You can change your music. Okay, some readily available musics are available. Some music are already available here in the library, music library, and you could use that. You could also change the style if you want to, like brand colors and so on and so forth. You could change the format. We had selected 16:9. And we also have the source, which is basically our blog post, right? So let's see what the video looks like. I'll go on to play this.
That's one feep. Entrepreneurs have a powerful advantage, no code tool.
Okay, that is a thing which is coming from the script. Let's click on preview to see.
In 2001 feep. Entrepreneurs have a powerful advantage, no code tools. These platforms let anyone build, automate, and scale a business without writing a single line of code, making innovation more accessible than ever. No-code development uses visual interfaces, drag and drop tools, and pre-built components instead of traditional programming languages. This approach allows entrepreneurs to create software, automate workflows, and integrate artificial intelligence solutions without technical expertise. No-code platforms like Bubble, Zapier, and Webflow eliminate the need for expensive developers. Entrepreneurs can launch products faster, reduce costs, and easily update their apps in real time. This flexibility is crucial for staying competitive and responsive to market needs. With no code, entrepreneurs can integrate artificial intelligence-driven features.
This was impressive. I think if we could add our own voice and make it sound like we are talking, this is a great one, right? Okay, now let me go back to Lumen 5 and let's try one more thing. And then let's say create a single video, and we could go with the lines, especially this one, and let's do 9:16 this time. Use this template, and we could probably use an AI avatar. Okay, this is a premium feature. That's fine. Let's see if it still does, because it's in beta. I would go with the same one. Click on import. Okay, same process, nothing changes. Compose script. So it writes the script for us, which is mostly the same. And let's go to continue. And you go. This is the AI avatar. We could change it. Okay, like Alex, Amy, Anita, Aran. Okay, let's hear out if this
Language is the vessel of culture, carrying the stories, traditions, and identities of communities. Through the lens of linguistics, we explore the rich tapestry of human communication and connection.
sounds like Indian. That's fine. So let's go with this one. I'll select this avatar, convert to video. So the board is still working to make our videos. And let's preview this.
In 2025, entrepreneurs have a powerful advantage: no-code tools. These platforms let anyone build, automate, and scale a business without writing a single line of code, making innovation more accessible than ever. No-code development uses visual interfaces, drag-and-drop tools, and pre-built components instead of traditional programming languages. This approach allows entrepreneurs to create software, automate workflows, and integrate
I think the lip sync is not so great, right? I could see that when the audio was coming, the lip was not moving, right? So lip sync is not that great, and I feel that the previous version was better, which is with graphics and stuff like that. That looked more nicer to me. What do you think? Lumenfy is honestly one of the easiest tools that I've used to convert text to video. Is it perfect? Maybe not yet. But like we saw, the first version of the video that we created, including graphics, was much better than the AI avatar, which is still in beta phase. And I believe that they will improvise this as we move on. With new models coming up, I believe this will also improve. If you have been only writing blogs, then creating videos using this tool could be a good starting point. And as and when you feel that your videos are getting more traction and you want to invest more time and efforts into this, maybe you can think of doing it yourself. So do give Lumen 5 a try and let me know in the comments below as to how did you use it, and if you liked the output. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.